Hey everybody! Today we're making texture plates with simple cardboard to use on my gel press. This is a great way to get tons of texture and interest on your gel press prints. You'll need some cereal box cardboard, an embossing machine, and embossing folders. Emboss the cardboard with tons of different patterns. Make a lot because this is addicting. Add some acrylic paint to your gel press, and then press the embossed cardboard sheets to create your patterns. Here's where you have to be patient. Let the first layer of paint dry for a few minutes and then add your second color over the top. I start out with dark colors and then add a lighter color on top. While the top layer of paint is wet, press your paper onto the gel press and wait a minute or two before you pull it off. I find cardstock works a lot better than printer paper, but use whatever you have. Okay, let's experiment with some other patterns and colors and see what we can come up with. You just want to make sure that you always let the first layer of paint dry before you add the second layer. There you go, a simple technique with tons of pattern and texture and an inexpensive way to create patterns on your gel press. Make sure to leave me a comment, even if it's just to say hi. I always love hearing from you. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. And if you want to see projects I don't share anywhere else, check me out on Patreon. I'll leave a link for that as well. If you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.